simply write a code for designing a password generator application using Python and Tkinter and press enter. So here we go. So based on the instruction given to ChatGPT, it will start writing a code. So it is writing the code, so it will take some time. So the duration depends upon the complexity of the code and the instruction given to the ChatGPT. So this is the beauty of ChatGPT. So once we have given instruction to the ChatGPT, so based on the instruction, it will start writing a code. So the speed of ChatGPT is very smooth. So look at here, it's writing the code very smoothly. So I think the final code is not yet done by ChatGPT. So again, let's give some instruction called continue with remaining code. So it will start writing the remaining code. Okay, so it's has started writing the code. Okay, I think this is the final code written by ChatGPT, and this is the end of it. So let's copy this code. This is the first part of the code, and we'll copy this code into a file called passgenerator.py. We have a second section of code for password generator application. So here we have, we'll again copy this code and paste here. So we have already done the inclusion of code in the file called passgenerator.py. So save this file, and now let's run this file. So in order to run this file, we'll use a command called Python. Since this is a Python based code, so include the Python space followed by the name of the file. So the name of file is passgenerator.py. So we'll use here passgenerator.py and press enter. Okay, so our application is ready. So this is the password generator application, and we have not made a coding here by ourselves. All this code is done by ChatGPT. So our application is ready. So let's test this application. Click to generate button. So it will generate a different password whose length will be of 12, which may include both uppercase letter, lowercase letter, number and symbol. So if you don't need to include the number, so you can just remove this tick mark, and now let's generate the password. So we'll not see the digit here, right? Likewise, if you need to remove the symbol from this password, we'll just simply remove the tick marks and then click to the generate button. So now look at here, so we don't have any symbol included in the password. Likewise, if you don't need to include the upper as well as lowercase and only include the number and symbol, we can just mark the numbers and symbol and then click to the generate button. So let me click to generate button. So here you go, we have a new password which does not consist of uppercase and lowercase. Likewise, we can also change the length of the password. For example, if we need our password to be only of 8 characters, then we can just simply include here 8. And now let me mark the uppercase letter as well as the lowercase letter and then click to the generate button. So we'll get a new password whose length is of 8, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the final password generated by this application. So this password is more secure than the password we are using. So you can just simply use these applications and generate the password and use this password in your various applications for securing the applications. So in this way we have generated the password applications using ChatGPT, where we did not code even a single line. So this all code was generated by ChatGPT.